Have you seen these clam grab bag boxes that Clam Pro Tackle came out with this ice season? Well, I have, and I bought 2 of these from my local Cabela's, full price myself. I bought 2 because these ones don't say anything on them in terms of panfish, walleye, and what I'm wondering is, are they mystery boxes where every box you're gonna get a little bit different flavor of different lures and things inside of it? Well, in today's video, we're gonna find out exactly what's in these boxes. One of these I grabbed from the very front of the shelf. The other one I grabbed from a bottom shelf all the way in the back, just to see, are they the exact same? Does it make sense to buy more than one box? Or are they all essentially the same thing, maybe just different colors? We're gonna find out in today's video. Let's get these opened up. So here we have them, the Clam Pro Tackle grab bags. I believe these were $25 from my local Cabela's. Let's go ahead, grab a scissors here and get these guys opened up. All right. Oh, there's another box inside of it. I know that they have like different panfish ones and things like that, but this one doesn't say anything in particular on it. So CPT Clam Pro Tackle, as we can see here, grab bag, high quality assortment of Clam Pro Tackle. It does say on the front there's 9 of their favorite Clam Pro Tackle lures inside. So I'm expecting 9 lures, more than a 34% savings. Let's see what we've got. Really nice here. So we've got a little bit of confetti in here to make it fun. A few stickers. So we've got this guy right here. So we've got a clam sticker, pretty nice. We've got another clam sticker, an ice fishing one, pretty dang nice. We've got a little walleye. This one's kind of cool. I kind of like this guy. Yeah, awesome. Then we've got some Silky's jig trailers. These are awesome. I used these quite a bit last year. They last forever. So if you get them, you can go ahead and plan on just using them for a very long time. I bought way too many because I don't actually need that many. This is the Rattle and Blade Spoon. Oh, it says it rattles. I was like, what does the IT mean on it? But it just means it rattles, and that's what it says on there. So this is a Rattle and Blade Spoon. As you can see here, it's pink and it's got gold fleck on the back and it rattles. This is one of my favorite baits from Clam that they had out before this year. And we got another Rattle and Blade Spoon. This one looks like it is a orange and chartreuse. What do they call this one? Glow Chartreuse Tiger. So that's this guy right here. So far, I'm actually pretty happy with what I've gotten. Mackie plastics. I don't fish with plastics very often, but they give you a few of those. Ooh, some Gaff X treble hooks. It looks like a 6-pack, number 6 size. These are gonna be great for like a dead stick. Feathered gaff treble hooks. These are awesome for panfish. I've used these last year and they work really well. I think there's several different brands that make these. We've got the Tika Minnow. So this year, of course, they came out with the Tika Flash. So this is the Glow Purple Tiger feature. Pretty sick. I don't fish with Tika Minnows very often, but I like the color pattern. Vikings fans will. The Dingle Drop XL, Tungsten Drop Series Glow UV, this guy right here. So a nice little tungsten jig that we're gonna get inside of this package, which is really nice. And then we've got the Swirl Drop Kick, which is a pink pattern jig. Pretty nice. It says Glow and UV directly on it. Swirl Drop Kick 10, pink blue swirl. So yeah, so that's this guy right here. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna move this stuff over to the side and we're gonna see how it compares to what we get in the other box. So let's go ahead and line these up here and we'll see if we end up putting anything directly in line with it, meaning we got the exact same thing out of the other box. So let's check this out. Okay, opening up the other box. All right. It looks like they have it so you can open it and then reseal it, which is kind of interesting. They've got like this weird thing on the box where like you could then reseal it. I don't know why you would open it and then reseal it, but evidently that's a thing. All right, here we go. Here we go. Da, 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 da. You ready? Nice, a different sticker, but we did get a sticker. It's an Ice Op sticker, pretty sweet. We'll go ahead and throw that guy over here, but we do have another sticker. Oh, We do have this sticker, so this is a duplicate for us. Clam Pro Tackle, the cool little walleye one that has a flag on it. And we got another one of the other ones, the clam stickers that we already had. So we've got 2 of 3 stickers are the same. We got silky jig trailers. These ones are in black is what we're looking at here. So we'll go ahead and throw those underneath the silkies. So now we have 2 sets of those. Gaff treble hooks. These are a different size. So these are the number 12 size. They're not the X hooks. So we got a different size treble hook, but it is a treble hook. So it looks like they give you some treble hooks, which is kind of nice. Mackie Plastics. This is the chunky. The other ones were the chunky as well, just a different color pattern. And you can actually see the motor oil in here. The coloring is starting to get into the plastic of the tray inside of there, which is kind of interesting because you see how this one's clear. It's probably because of all the motor oil in it. All right, so we got Mackie Plastics. Ooh, this one we didn't have before. So this is the ribbon leech flutter spoon in a glow UV. This is the glow orange lightning. So that is new. We did not have that in the previous box. I see a couple of these are the same here. Rattle and blade spoon. So we got 2 smaller size actually. These ones are gonna be size 10, whereas these guys are what, size 8? Yeah, size 8. So in the previous box we got size 8s, which are great for like a walleye or a pike or a dead stick overnight, burbot. These ones will work for them as well, but you could also use these for like crappie, bigger panfish too. So we've got 2 more rattle and blade spoons, but different sizes. So I'm happy with that. Let's go ahead and move our stickers down a little bit here. But boom. So far I'm actually okay with the variety. Feathered gaff treble hook. So we got these before. These ones are number 8. So these are a little bit bigger than the previous ones, which is interesting because the normal treble hooks, this box had the smaller size, but for feathered, they had the bigger size. We got Mackie Plastics. We got some chunkies in pink. So we got another thing of plastics there. A Dingle Drop XL. This one right here in a green, orange. This actually might be, where did I put that thing? They're very similar, but they are different. They are both 132 ounce. One of them is the chartreuse pink glow spot. The other one's chartreuse orange glow spot. So very similar. We'll throw those right here. And then last but not least, other than the confetti inside of here, is a swirl drop tungsten, which is different because this one was a swirl drop kick tungsten. This is just the drop. It is not the drop kick. So it's got a different size tungsten head on it. You can see it's the circular shape. I really like these ones with the little gem on the top. You can see this one's got the red gem on the top of it, whereas the swirl drop kick does not have that, but it has the more square-like body on it, which is kind of nice. So those are actually different as well. So looking at the 2 boxes, we got plastics. They're all the same profile, the chunky profile, which is interesting, but 3 different colors. We got a silky trailer in each of them. We got the Dingle Drop XL, 1 in each of them, but different colors, which is good. We got some treble hooks and feathered gaff treble hooks, different colors and different sizes. And even the trebles are gaff X versus gaff, so there's a little variety there. One of the boxes gave us a Tika minnow. One of the boxes gave us a ribbon leech flutter spoon. And then we got 2 other tungsten jigs that were different by the boxes, different size rattle and blade spoons. So here's what I would say. I think this is actually a really good assortment. We've got some walleye jigs over here. We got some good things for dead stick. We've got a jig and bait here if you want to with the Tika minnow. You've got a big spoon if you want to target that bigger species. You've got some panfish jigs, jig trailers, plastics. This is actually a really good assortment. I would definitely buy a couple of these boxes. This video is not sponsored by Clam. I have no affiliation with them, but I'm actually surprised. I thought it was gonna be the exact same things inside of these. just different colors. So I'm very pleased to say if you get these boxes from Clam, you can expect on them having a little bit of variety in them. Of course, their staple lures in tackle, like the silkies, which are very popular with them. Of course, treble hooks are popular, and these rattle and blade spoons are literally fire. They came out with a new one this year, the rattle and PT spoon, which I really like as well. But I'll leave links to these boxes down below and where I got them. I think it was Cabela's, so Cabela's and Bass Pro have this version of them. There's other versions that are out there that I've seen online that people have gotten, like a panfish box. I'll try to link all of them that I can find online down below in case you guys want to pick them up. But like I said, I think these were 25 bucks. Maybe you can get them on a sale deal coming up here this ice season. Hopefully this video helps you out, and if these CPT grab bag boxes are something that's gonna be worth it for you, and if you already have one, if it's worth picking up another one. Thank you so much for watching. Check out this other video on the channel where I talk about more of my favorite ice fishing gear, and until next time, take it easy.